Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Hub. Okay, today we start with letter O. O is for O. Umar lives in a village. He has an ox and an ostrich in his farmhouse. There are many trees of oranges and olives in his garden. Omar puts big boxes of oranges and olives in the ox cart. O a orange. O a orange. O a orange. Okay. Our next letter is P. P is for P. P is for P. The story of P is panda, parrot, peacock, and pigeon are good friends. They all live together in a jungle. The parrot is missing. They find the parrot in a tree. They help the parrot to get free. P P parrot. P P parrot. P P parrot. Our next letter is Q. Q K. Q K. Q is for K. The story of letter Q is it is Fajr time. The queen and her son come out of their quilt. They offer prayer and recite the Holy Quran. The son gives food to the quail. He is very kind. The quill of the quail is on the floor. Q K coil. Q K coil. Q K coil. Our next letter is R. R is for R. R is for R. The story of letter R is children are playing in the park. Rizwan is watering roses. Ahmed is playing with our boat. Omar is skipping a rope. They see a rainbow in the sky. They all get very happy. R rabbit. R rabbit. R rabbit. Our next letter is S. S is for S. 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 The story of S sound is sun is shining brightly. Sarah is wearing pink socks. Her father wants to cut a tree with a saw. He sees a nest of sparrow on the tree. Now he will not cut the tree. Sarah and her father wash their hands with soap before eating strawberries. Okay, now our next letter is T. T is for T. T is for T. T is for T. The story of letter T is a man is in the jungle with his family. They are having tea on the table at night. They hear a roar. Man turns on the torchlight. The man shouts, it is a tiger. Run inside the tent. Tea tree. Tea tree. Tea tree.